everyone! Today I want to talk about resistor. What happens if we remove resistors from a circuit? Without resistors, electrical components can burn or get damaged. But why does that happen? A resistor is a passive electronic component that limits current. A resistor controls the flow of electric current. Its unit is ohm, symbolized by omega. Think of electricity like water flowing in a pipe. A resistor is like narrowing the pipe. It reduces the flow. According to Ohm's law, voltage equals current times resistance. If resistance increases, current decreases. When we add a resistor in series with an LED, it protects the LED from excessive current. In medical devices like ECG monitors and pulse oximeters, resistor ensures safe and stable operation. Resistors are essential for safety and current control in all electronic systems. Let's calculate the correct resistor value for an LED. Suppose we have a 9-volt battery. The LED voltage drop is 2 volts and we want 20 milliamps of current. First subtract 2 from 9. That gives us 7 volts. Then divided 7 volts by 0.02 ohms. The result is 350 ohms. So we can use standard 330 ohms or 360 ohm resistor. If resistance is too low, current becomes too high and that can destroy components. If resistance is too high, current becomes too small and the LED will be very dim. In biomedical engineering, choosing the right resistor value is critical. Too much current can damage sensors, too little current can affect signal accuracy. Resistors aren't just simple components, they are essential for safety, stability, and precision in every electronic system. In electronics, especially in biomedical systems, precision and safety matter, and resistors are a key part of that precision. If you're interested in learning more about practical electronics and biomedical engineering, make sure to subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next lesson.